Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by auditing your site so link prospects land on strong pages. Fix 404s and canonical issues now. Next, map your target pages and match them to keyword intent because relevance drives editorial links. Once done, build a prospect list of 50+ relevant domains and note domain rating, estimated traffic, and contact info. You'll use this list to prioritize outreach. Make sure to include a mix of skyscraper fit, niche blogs, and industry publications to balance authority and topical fit. You now build linkable assets, 1 pillar piece and 3 supporting posts, each with original data, visuals, and clear anchor targets. Then craft personalized outreach templates. Tailor the opening line to each contact and a /B test subject lines to boost reply rates. Simultaneously run tactical plays. Harrow pitches for quick mentions, guest post proposals for own placements, and broken link /resource page reclamation for easy wins. Make sure to track replies, follow-ups, and conversion rates in a single sheet. You finish by scaling successful tactics through partnerships, syndication, and targeted PR campaigns to earn high-authority placements. Once links are live, monitor anchors, link attributes, and redirects weekly and flag lost links for outreach recovery. If results stall, troubleshoot. Check your pitch quality, confirm the page relevance and value, and tighten outreach cadence. Less spam, more tailored asks. Finally, reclaim broken or removed links quickly. A polite reminder often restores a high-quality backlink and protects your investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.